solve inequalities, it's very much like solving an equation. We haven't got an equals sign. We've got something that isn't equals. In this case, it means less than. Okay, so 9x plus 5 is less than. So that symbol there just means less than, so you just need to remember that. Okay, and just like an equation, okay, when you have this set up with an equal sign, you would take the 5 over, wouldn't you, the other side, and then you do the opposite. So it's because it's adding here, and you take it over, you take away. So we get 9x, right? 77, take away 5. But this must stay as the inequality here, right? Less than, you can't write it as equals. So 9x is less than 77, take away 5. So 9x is less than 72. And then, just like with an equation then, when you've got 9 times x, you take the 9 over and you'll divide. Okay, so then x will be less than 72 divided by 9. Well, 9 goes into 72 8 times. So we're saying essentially x has got to be less than 8. Now the next one, it says write down the smallest whole number that satisfies this inequality. 4x, now this symbol here means greater than. Okay, greater than. So 4x is greater than 45. Okay, so what you do then is you take the 4 over the other side and we divide. Okay, take it over and divide. Now 4 doesn't go into 45 perfectly. If you think of our 4 times tables, it will go into 45 11 times. Okay, and there'll be 1 left over 4. So in this case, we're saying x has got to be greater than 11 and a quarter. So saying then, what is the smallest whole number that it can be? Well, x has got to be greater than this, okay? Can't be less than it, okay? So it can't be less than 11 and a quarter. So if you think about, in a number line, if you've got 11 there, 11 and a quarter is, say, here, okay? Well, we can't be less than this. It's got to be greater than it. So the next whole number that pops up is going to be 12, okay? So the smallest whole number that satisfies this condition is 12.